Hello, what's your name?
I'm Josephine Kamani Lipaen.
How old are you?
I'm 34 years old.
What is your religion?
I'm a Christian.
Are you married?
Yes, madam.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I have 2 kids.
How old are they?
Their age is 7 years old and 12 years old.
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
1 year and 9 months, madam.
Okay, do you have any work experience in other countries?
Yes.
Where?
In Kuwait before.
How many years?
2 years, ma'am.
Okay, so how long you been working with your current employer?
1 year and 9 months, ma'am.
Where's your employer living in?
Yun long, madam.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
450 square meters.
Square feet, okay. How many family member there?
3 years.
3. How many children?
1, madam.
Okay, so how old is now?
1 year and 5 months.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up in the morning around the 7 o'clock. Then I prepared the food. Then I cleaning the house. After that, then I wash the baby clothes. Then after that, the baby wake up. Then I taking care the baby.
Okay, so how about marketing? Do you go market?
No, madam.
Okay, so how about dinner? What time you cook?
I prepare the food around 8:30. Then I cooking I cooking 8:30.
And then? So what time they eat?
9 o'clock.
Okay, after finish everything in the kitchen, so what time you go to bed?
I'm go to my bed, madam, around the 12 o'clock.
Okay, thank you so much.
Awan ka.